Hi everybody, it's Evan Sigmund up here at Everett Chevrolet in Morganton, and today's Quick Tip Tuesday, we're talking about remote starts on your key fob. First thing you want to do is you want to hit your lock button twice. Then you want to press and hold the remote start on the fob. Once it's started, you want to hit the unlock button to allow yourself in. Once you get in the vehicle, if you have a key for your ignition, you want to put your foot on the brake, put the key in ignition, turn it, and you're good to go. However, if you do have a push button start, go ahead and have a seat, put your foot on the brake, then you want to push that button and you're great to go. A great feature of having a remote start, your car goes off of your last settings of whenever you left to cool it off, or if it's cold outside, you can go ahead and start it, warm up your car, have it ready to go for you, have your seats nice and toasty for you right before you go to work. If you need any help concerning any of our inventory here at Everett Chevrolet, please give us a call, 828-327-9171, or come see us, Everett Chevrolet here in Morganton.